What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect the Moonbix official Binance with any sort of wallets. For that, right now there is no option because the Moonbix officially is Binance partner and is using Telegram to connect with like different sort of application. It is a sort of a game where you will get 10,000 plus token on sign up bonus and up to $500 in cash on like withdraw. So what you guys can do is to go to their official Mobix official Binance channel. In here, all you have to do is to go to tap on the Binance official crypto Mobix game. So once you do it, you will see this page which says sorry, this page you are looking for cannot be found right now and it is for error because it is currently under the maintenance and it's in pre like building phase. It's not currently made totally, so it's not up yet. But once it's been completed by the developers, then it will be launched officially. And once it will do, please stay in tune with our channel and then we will show you how to do it properly. So